The thing most people forget when they get a new laptop is that the computer they normally use is going to be removed from their desk. It's not a good feeling when you get to the office and realize you can't work because your equipment isn't set up. You can try to set it up yourself, but you'd feel more comfortable if someone helped you. Normally, you can ask coworkers for help, but most people still telecommute, which leaves the office empty. You can try looking for the field tech, but you'll have to set up an appointment. The only thing left to do is call the help desk and hope someone is at the office to help. If you don't want to wait, you have another option. Hi, my name is Ruben Rodriguez and I am the Senior IT Technical Support Analyst. In this video, you will learn how to set up a docking station at your desk. I will also go over each piece of equipment that you receive when you pick up your Chromebook, and I will also go over each connection that you have on the docking station. The first item you should have in your bag is the Chromebook. You should also have a docking station. Here we have the docking station charger. This is the Chromebook charger. This is the cable lock. Here we have the docking station and the connections in the front. First, we have the USB-C connection. Then we have the USB. Audio jack is here, but we're primarily going to use the USB. Now, let's go ahead and turn this around to the back. And we will start from left to right. So we have two display ports. These display ports are what you use to connect to a monitor at the office. And primarily, we have only display ports that we use. We also have to the right an HDMI connector, but the monitors we have don't have HDMI connections, so we don't really use that very much. Next to it, we have a USB-C connection, but primarily that's not something that you will use. What you will use are these two USB ports. These are primarily used for your keyboard and your mouse, so these are very important. Next to it, we have what's called the RJ45, or commonly known as a network cable. This is where you connect the internet to the docking station, and the docking station provides the internet to the laptop. Next, we have the power cable. This is what helps charge the laptop and what powers the docking station and makes everything work. So now that we've seen all the connections, let's look at the cable that's plugged to the docking station. It's the USB-C. This connects to the side of the laptop, and then everything that's connected to the docking station works with the laptop. First, let's start off with the docking station charger. So this is the docking station charger. We want to go ahead and uncurl it, and then we want to go ahead and connect this to the wall. Now that we've plugged in the power supply to the wall, this connection has a blue light on it. That's how you know it's connected. From here, we're going to plug it into the docking station. Next step, we're going to go ahead and connect the network cable here. From here, we want to go ahead and connect the mouse and keyboard. Mouse. And we have a keyboard. Last thing that we need to connect is the monitor. If you have this connection, it is called a VGA. This is not compatible with the docking station you have. You will need to open a ticket and request for a display port in order to be able to connect your docking station to your monitor. This is a display port. This is what you will use to go ahead and connect the docking station to your monitor. Okay, we have everything connected. Let's go ahead and connect the Chromebook to the monitor. Now we will connect the Chromebook. And we're going to connect it right in here on the left side panel. All right, the light will turn on here and here, indicating that the docking station is providing power here. Now, let's go ahead and turn on the monitor. And make sure the docking station is turned on. And from here, we can log in. Now let's focus on the cable lock. The cable lock will be used to go ahead and secure your laptop to a desk. So let's undo the cable lock. And then we have to put it through and secure this to something on the desk. So either a keyboard tray or the desk itself. From there, you want to go ahead and pull from here, and on this thing right here you want to go ahead and insert the cable. So you go in here, you're all set. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to find other helpful videos, you can go to the Technical Support Resource Center homepage.